My name is Yaakov Karni. So today I'm making my famous Israeli salad. I hope you guys enjoy it. So today I'm going to cut the cucumbers so you can eat it, you know? I'm slicing. Be careful you don't cut your hand. After that, you make some nice shapes on the cucumbers. Doesn't really matter. After when you finish all these cucumbers, you put it in the bowl and go to the next one. And that's it. And then after that, you put all the cucumbers that you already cut and you put it in the bowl. Don't make a mess. After that, you pass it over there. Then you put the green leaf and you cut it. Finish with this one. Then, the funny part of that is the tomatoes. It's the best. Oh, my onions fell down. After that, if you drop it, you clean it. You know, so you don't get germs. After slicing all the onions, you have to put all the ingredients, all the flavors. So the onion can taste so good with all your yummy tomatoes and cucumbers. After when I'm finished with the onions, all I gotta do is put this away, you know. Now I need some salt. Too much salt, I guess, my bad. After that, I need some pepper. And then after